Yo, what is up gamers? Today I'm going to show you how to make AirPods. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. But before we get into how to craft these AirPods, we first have to give a minute to our sponsor, War Robots. War Robots is a free-to-play game on the Apple and Android store with over 20 billion people a day playing it. It's the perfect game. It's got next-gen graphics and really good combat. Just look at that. What you gotta do, you gotta get the white thing, right? Put the scissors here, really carefully, start cutting, right? There we go. Oh, that's just lovely. Right, now that white plastic bit's gone, get the knife. Look at that, one AirPod. The observant of you might have realised we now do the exact same thing, but with the other side. Cut that bit, hit it with a wire, and this is the bit where sometimes it gets really hard to cut. You just gotta throw it out the window. Oh, here it is. Yes, look at that, almost cut now. It's got these rainbow sweet stripes in it that you just gotta pull this coating off and it reveals them. Then you just hack at it with a knife for a bit. Get the scissors, cut that last bit off. So now you've got two perfectly functioning AirPods that you can listen to Slidd Lasagna on, which is a very epic song that exists. You can even use the AirPod as a spoon. Oh, yes, that's just lovely. Here is a very good benefit of the AirPod. You can use it, right, to subscribe to eBik Productions. Look, subscribed. You should do that so we don't die. Just look at this. Even the Mad Titan himself, Lego Thanos, has decided to purchase some of these life hacks AirPods. He thinks they're that epic. Right gamers, I hope you've enjoyed this video and you now know how to make your own AirPods so you don't get bullied for being broke in school or in work or anywhere else that exists. If you want extra content that doesn't exist, go subscribe to the Patreon. You pay things and you don't get anything back. Well worth it. Yeah. Subscribe.